got hit from the rear in that black Cadillac. My number 1A. I don't have that, so that must be Paxton Harris.
Oh! Woo! Big power hit.
Off the hood.
You
in
are.
the green machine.
If you're not out here at the Barren County Fair tonight, you are missing out on some entertainment. I'm telling you what, these young kids, they're they're the main attraction. This demolition derby has got nothing on these little. Oh, look at that! He's trying to pile drive him. Oh!
I don't think the suspension on that thing gives very much.
There you go, young lady.
Uh-oh, there he goes.
All right. Woo! Check out these big power hitting out here, taking place at the Barren County Fair. Woo!
We're going to sandwich one here.
There you go, Mom. Help out. Oh! Oh! Here they come!
Running out there. We're going to put you in one of them cars here in a minute.
Oh!
Uh-oh, we got one over there. He's thinking about stuff.
Big pile up. Uh-oh. What's happened to the green machine?
Are you stuck? Number 5? Number 5.
Oh! Did you see that big power hit?
Well.
Oh!
Oh, see, he got a good lick he had on Lucas right there. I
Woo!
think Lucas, well, he's having fun. That's what matters. Now the black Cadillac is spinning his wheels.
Oh! Help them out there a little bit. Get them disconnected. There you go. Oh! Big power hit. Oh, these kids right here tonight are having a blast.
That Cadillac, he's very fast, but he sure is heavy. He's throwing his
I'm
weight
telling
around
you.
out there.
Entertaining. Woo! Oh, big power hookup. And this right here is just the beginning of the night for the Demolition Derby. Oh my gosh. The green machine has got back in line. Big Cadillac. Oh my gosh. Woo! And here he goes, a big power in. Oh my goodness. The fun we're having at the Barren County Fair tonight. Sponsored by the Lions Club. Great organization. They help the community of Glasgow and surrounding area. And this is just another little happy part of it. Tell you what, this right here is a blast. The only thing we need is more kids. Oh, got the little smoky time coming through. Oh, and here they go. Gator Girl. Gator Girl, go. Woo! She done busted that big Cadillac, got his all hung up.
About lighting up Facebook, if we could go live.
You're not kidding.
But no.
If we had reception out here, we would. There you go.
A few words of encouragement there, and she took right off again. I don't think she really wants to hit nobody. She just wants to drive around. Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness. Cadillac. Oh!
Look at the speakers back there. That young man got him a system in there. We got one crying. Uh-oh, everything's cool now. There ain't no more crying now.
All right.
I don't think she really wants to hit nobody and don't want nobody to hit her. She's just out driving. She's cruising. She's just cruising.
And she's doing a great job.
Uh-oh. That big Dodge Ram rammed this side of them.
Go, Zane, run over.
That was Mr.
Oh!
right there. Uh-oh.
Woo! Big power hit.
Lord. Uh-oh. Now look out there in the middle.
Oh,
Everybody is on. Uh-oh. We got something going on.
batteries are getting a little low.
He may be slipping
Slowing
that thing
down a
up.
little bit. Uh-oh, we've got a few still going.
But out there in the middle,
Oh.
we got a jam. Oh, the little Case International.
Now this
tractor
is the
team in
kids
that jam.
demolition derby with a little battery powered mobile. Oh, did you see that hit? Oh, did you see that hit?
We got a
Oh, they are like having a great time out here.
head on.
Big pile up. Oh, we got two pushing one another. Oh,
Or he done got hot and took his helmet off. Or he knocked it off.
woo. Oh, they come unhooked.
Now, kind of like the pedal pull last night. Just pick it up and move it back a little bit. Get you some more traction.
There we go.
Back up! Hey, back up!
Now this is just one of the events, but they've had so many this weekend. And if you've missed out,
Uh-oh.
oh, a free
Duck right
hit.
there. Sitting duck.
Woo, I'm telling
Broke
you.
his flag. I don't see no flag.
Oh, she get ready to smash him. Oh. Now this is all taking place at the Barren County Fair in Temple Hill, put on by the Lions Club. And we want to thank everybody. We want to thank all these young participants for having a big blast. And next year, make plans to be out. Don't let your kids miss out on this
That
entertainment.
helmet's heavy. She's having trouble holding her head.
Kids Demolition Derby. Saturday night at the Barren County Fair.